Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. I hope you are all well. It's day 5, lecture 5, multiplication. We will going to learn how to solve multiplication related word problem. 60 page 3 number question from book. Question is 1 hali is equal to 4 items. Then how many items will be in 5 hali? Clue what is here? 1 hali that have 4 items. We have to find 5 hali. Let's try to visualize. 1 hali have 1, 2, 3, 4 items. As like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hali has how many items? It means how many times 4? 5 times 4. 5 times 4 means 5 multiplied by 4. Again I am explaining what's 1 hali. 1 hali is related to 4 times and we have to find 5 hali. 1 hali have same 5 hali have same 4 items. Then 5 times 4. 5 multiplied by 4 equal 20. Now how will we write the answer? First we have to make first sentence with this clue and second sentence is this clue with this clue. 1 hali equals to 4 items. First I am writing 1 hali is equal to 4 items. Therefore, don't forget to write therefore. Therefore, 5 hali is equal to 5 times 4 means 4 multiply 5 equal 20 items. 4 multiplied by 5 or 5 multiplied by 4 is same answer. Then answer will be, final answer will be 20 items. Next question. If there are 6 flowers in a bundle, then how many flowers will be in 8 bundles? We have clue here. A bundle means one bundle. One bundle have 6 flowers. We have to find 8 bundles. Look, one bundle have 6 flowers. Then 8 bundle have 8 times 6. 8 times 6 means 6 multiplied by 8, 48 flowers. Then as like previous, you have to make sentence with first line, second line and you have to write answer. I will not show the answer how to write. You have to try, then follow my solution sheet and try to understand how to solve. Again, I am explaining question number 5. 5 number question. Toma reads books 4 hours daily. How many hours does she read in a week? Here clue 4 hours. Daily means one day. And a week means 7 days. We know in a week have 7 days. Then again, Toma reads books 4 hours daily. In every day he reads same time 4 hours. One day 4 hours, and he reads in 7 days 7 times 4. 7 times 4 means 4 multiply 7, 28 hours. First line, in one day he reads 4 hours, then in 7 days he reads 28 hours. Next question. There are 24 sheets of paper in a query. How many sheets will be in 12 query? Here R is 1. One query have 24 sheets. We have to find 12 queries. Again, arrange the keywords or clue words. One query have 24 sheets. We have to find 12 queries. 12 queries mean 12 times 24. 12 times 24 means 24 multiply by 12. Let's see how to solve this question. One query, then one query in one query there are 24 sheets. Therefore, how many queries we need? 12 queries. Is equal to 24 multiplied by 12. First we have to multiply with 2. 2 for the 8, 2 to the 4. Extra 0 for explaining tens position. 4 ones are 4, 2 ones are 2. Answer will be 8, 8, 2, 8, 8. Final answer will be 12, 8, 8 sheets. Again, 7. There are 15 rows of betel nuts trees in Runu's garden, and there are 24 trees in each row. How many trees are there in the garden? One row have 24 trees, then 15 rows have 15 times 24 trees. Next question. Tondra Chakma drives at the rate of 40 5 kilometers per hour. How many kilometers will she go in 8 hours at the same speed? Here, per hour means 1 hour. In 1 hour, he goes 45 kilometers. We have to find in 8 hours how many path he goes. Let's see the clues again. 1 hour. On 1 hour he goes 45 kilometers, and 8 hours she will go 8 times of 45. 8 times of 45 means 45 multiplied by 8. Then another question. Nipu has 14 times of what Rimi has. If Rimi has taka 225, then how many taka does Nipu have? It's very important question. Here we see that Rimi has 225 taka, but Nipu has 14 times more than Rimi has. We have to find how many taka Nipu has. Let's see the clue points. Nipu has 14 into how many takas Rimi has. We know Rimi has 224 takas. Then we have to multiply 224 by 14. Okay, thank you very much. Next class we will sit for revision, and after that we will sit for exam of 20 marks. No more today. Thank you very much.